Hello guys, now I am in the room. I am sitting on the bed, and I am trying make a video, make a video. It's my free time. I utilize my time, and actually time is valuable asset. If we cannot touch any we cannot catch anything uh, without do better thing. When you do better thing, that time you can remember fast. But if you pass randomly, you cannot remember your past. So we should try your best level for so uh, uh, do better thing that you can recall in your past. That's why I try my best level for improve my spoken English. Thank you for watching my video.